Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to another unboxing episode. And this comes from my buddy Peter, and I'm going to include Peter's Instagram account handle here. He wanted me to include that in this video. He's got a great Instagram. Thank you, Peter, there. And he takes a lot of pictures of a lot of his watches. He's really into the vintage stuff, affordable vintage pieces. And so he's been throwing around the idea possibly of doing a channel one day. And I think that'd be a great idea about how he goes about getting some of those pieces. So I hope he really does that. And I told him I'd give him a hand. So sorry about all the noise. Peter's got this wrapped up pretty well here. And, he picked up this watch a few months ago. Was really excited about it. And he asked me if I wanted to take a look at it. And I said, of course I do. It's a Sinn. And, it is a 104. So, I've done 104s, reviews of 104s several times. And I've done a black dial, a white dial. This is a white dial, but there's something special about this one. This is a limited edition with the red second hand. Awesome looking watch, man. This dial, this white dial configuration with the 104 is just splendid, man. It's just a great looking dial and watch, and that nice hint of red really gives it some character. So let me put this on wrist before I call it a day. And of course, the watch I have on is giving me a hard time. I am terrible at this. Why did I even bother putting on a watch before I do a review? Because I know I'm going to end up taking it off. Okay, so let's put this on here. Oh yeah. Good looking watch. Great watch. You guys know how I feel about the 104. Nice. I think, this is, I'll tell you what, this is the first time I'm, going to be reviewing a 104 on the H-Link bracelet, the stainless steel H-Link bracelet. The other two were on leather straps. So thank you, Peter, for sending this in. And guys, stay tuned for the review coming in a few days. Take care.